Doctor, and today we have something big, something different. We have the Fiido D2S, a folding moped electric bike. It came to me from Geekbuying, from the Poland warehouse of Geekbuying. As you can see, it's a really big box. It's 60 centimeters high and 80 centimeters wide. It came to me with UPS. It's a folding moped electric bike, as I told you, with 60-inch tires, 250 watt motor. It can reach up to 25 kilometers per hour speed with 6 speeds shift, and you can get it in 2 colors. And I have a coupon for you in my review. So we're going to do that now, a small and fast unboxing, because it's a big box and it must have a lot of things inside, and to see what's really inside it. And now that we did our unboxing and the bike is ready, as you can see, it's time to power it up. Ready? Now here it's in low mode, medium mode, high mode, and you can decrease it from here. Here's the light. You see it here. It's white. Turn it off. Here is for the speed. And here we decrease it. And time to see and we must if I leave it down it will start. So this is the Fiido D2S and we are going to test it outside. As you can see, this is the Fiido D2S that I have already shown you. This is how it is folded at my back of my trunk of my car, a Seat Ibiza that I have. That, to be honest, it doesn't have a big place to put a lot of things inside it, but at least my bike, as you can see, it can fit in. But you must take out the saddle in order to fit in and do not have any problem. So now we're going to take it outside and put it together in order to try it. So this is the Fiido D2S electric bike that was sent to me from iGeekphone.com, which I really like to thank them, and Geekbuying. I am 190, 120 kilos. I am at the limit of this bike, and you see that it goes really fast, really good, so you don't have to worry about height or weight. What's the plus in comparison to other electric bikes is that it has the suspension here, so you don't understand the bumping of the road. It has brakes front and back, which are this kind of type. I don't know how they are called in English. Also, it has these two things that it is for the water when it is wet down, in order not to get messy. What I didn't like is they could have put an LCD display here. It's really very plain, very simple, just to show at which speed I can reach. Other than that, it's a really very good bike. It goes really very nice. It can fit in even to small places, like the back of my car that has a small trunk, and it doesn't get a lot of things, unfortunately. So this is Fiido D2S, an electric bike. This is my doctor. Bye.